Hello, today I'm going to talk about an issue that affects many countries in the world, migration. Migration not only impacts people seeking a better future, but also the receiving countries, especially in terms of public services. So, how can we find a balance between the benefits of migration and the challenge it represents for our communities? This is a crucial issue because without balanced solutions, we risk losing the economic and social potential of migration or overwhelming essential resources, causing tension and inequalities on society. So, to understand the migration dilemma, we must first look at the causes. In most cases, people migrate due to extreme poverty, conflicts, and environmental disasters. These factors force millions of people to seek safety and better conditions to live in other countries, creating this pressure on the receiving nations. This pressure creates real and visible challenges, especially in three key areas: healthcare, education, and housing. The Migration Policy Institute reported that these challenges are especially common in urban areas with high migration flows. For example, on healthcare, on regions that has high migration rates, the hospitals are often overcrowded, and this leads to longer wait for patients and limit access to crucial medical services for different diseases. Education. Classrooms are overcrowded due to the increasing number of students from children from families that are just coming in, and this puts pressure on the resources and reduces the quality of education. Housing, driving up costs and making it difficult for low-income families to find stable living situations. This is going to be less affordable for them. These problems not only overload public services, but also deepen social inequalities as the most vulnerable communities are the hardest hit. This is a proof that unbalanced migration policies can affect everyone, not just immigrants. It's a ripple effect that touches the entire community, as the housing one. Um, the increased demand for affordable housing is not only going to affect the families that are just coming in, it's affecting the families that are already here trying to get a affordable house. So I propose a solution that focuses on balanced migration policies, which aims to create harmony between managing resources and respecting human rights. It includes regulating migration, which means implementing policies that control migration effectively, ensuring that public resources aren't overwhelmed. At the same time, these policies must hold, uphold the dignity and rights of migrants. Effective integration programs. These programs are essential for helping migrants become active contributors for the economy. For example, initiatives like language learning and skill validation have been proved to make it easier for migrants to access jobs and educations, which in turn reduces social tensions and dependence. When migrants are equipped with the tools to succeed, they not only benefit themselves, but also enrich the community they join, creating a win-win situation for everyone. So let's think of integration as an investment. The more we support migrants in becoming part of the workforce and society, the more they can give back, both economically and socially, to the country. When we put these balanced migration policies into action, we see significantly benefits that positively impact both migrants and the community, like increased economic productivity. Migrants who are well integrated into the economic hold stable jobs, contribute to industries in need, and generate substantial fiscal revenues. Reduce dependence on public services by ensuring access to education, healthcare, and job opportunities. Integration programs help migrants become self-sufficient, reducing the strain on public resources, and improving social perception. Transparent and fair policies build trust and foster stronger relationships between migrants and local communities, reducing the social tension and promoting cohesion. Like, to give you an example, in 2022, immigrants contributed over $579 billion in taxes. This demonstrates their critical role in supporting public services like schools, hospitals, and also providing that they're not a burden but a vital part of the system. These benefits shows that migration, when managed well, is not a problem to solve, but an opportunity to embrace. It strengthens both our economies and our societies. In summary, the migration dilemma cannot be solved simply by opening or closing borders. We need policies that combine efficient regulation with inclusive integration programs to ensure a balance between economic prosperity and social stability. We want a country where people are happy to be there. When people is happy living in the country, they are gonna contribute to the country. So those economic prosperity and social stability, they need to be in the same level. And to do that, we need to make inclusion. We need to implement regulation, inclusive integration programs to ensure the prosperity in this country. Migration is not just a challenge, it is also an opportunity to build stronger, more united communities, and it's up to us to decide whether we want to harness this potential or use it to make this a better country. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.